you $72 per hour, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is how to earn money online on autopilot. Do you want to know how to earn $72 per hour on complete autopilot? You just need to click on a few buttons and copy some links, and before you know it, you have money coming in your account day after day. Again, you will get paid $72 per hour on complete autopilot. You don't need to sell anything, you don't need to show your face, and you don't need any skills. You can do this for absolutely free. You don't need any money in order to do this. So even if you have $0 in your account right now, you can still do this. What I like about this brand new method is that they will pay you on a daily basis. So you don't need to wait that long in order to receive your earnings. I highly suggest for you to watch this video all the way through, because I will be showing you later on a step-by-step process on how to sign up for absolutely free so that you can start earning money today. The greatest part is that this brand new method is not yet known by a lot of people. So you're very lucky to be watching this video right now. This is a great opportunity for you to hop on and earn a decent amount of money. You can do this over and over again using your smartphone or your computer. And don't forget, I'll be giving exclusive bonus tips that will allow you to earn double or even triple more money compared to other people. So make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now let us get started. So let's now go to the website where you can earn $72 per hour. And this website is digistore24.com. Now here's a warning. If you go directly to the website by yourself without watching this video, there is a high chance for you to get lost because this website is a little bit complicated. And when you get lost, you won't be able to earn anything. And I don't want that to happen, so keep on watching and focus on what I'm about to show you. So what is Digistore24? Basically, it's an online sales platform that offers you an integrated online store, an affiliate network, all common payment methods and accounting automation. You will be able to access various offers on their marketplace which you can promote and share to other people. And when they purchase your offer, you will make money. You can promote different products over and over again. That's why the earning potential on this brand new method is unlimited. You might be wondering, do I have to pay something in order to start promoting offers? No. Signing up with Digistore24 is completely free, no hidden costs. And you can choose to get paid weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Take a look at this. You can see here their sign up page. I will show you later on how to properly sign up on this website. If you skip any part of this, you might get lost in the sign up process and you will not earn anything. I will guide you through the whole sign up process and even show you a live demonstration because I really want you to earn a lot of money from this brand new method. Now, as you can see here, these are all the available offers that they have on this website. When you scroll down below, you can literally see that they have a lot of offers that you can promote. For example, this product right here on the right side, you will be able to see how much money you can possibly earn from it. And just below that, you can read more about the product. I'll just leave it up to you to read about it. If you continue to scroll, you can literally see that there are a lot more offers that you can promote. Some of them pay higher, and some of them pay lower. So you really need to choose properly which offer to promote. So in just a few moments, I'll show you how to start promoting these offers and where to promote them in order to earn $72 per hour on complete autopilot. So keep on watching this video and don't skip anything. So right here, what you need to do is click on this drop-down menu. By default, the whole list of offers is being sorted by sales rank. That's not what we want here, because what we need to see are the earnings. So in order to do that, you just need to click on this one right here and choose sort by earnings or sale. By doing that, the list of offers that you see below will change, and it will now be sorted by earnings, which means that the highest paying offers will be shown on the top of the list. As you can see here, this offer would pay you more than $700 by just promoting it to other people. So if we go to a calculator and compute 700 multiplied by how many people purchased through your offer, for example 3 people, that's more or less $2,100. Just imagine if more people purchased the offer. You can really make a lot of money from this brand new method. So in order to start earning from this, the first thing you need to do is sign up, that way you can have an account on Digistore24. On the homepage of this website, all you need to do is click on this blue button right here that says, Start Now. It's free to sign up. And that will then take you to this page where you can see that it's actually free to register. On the sign up page, you have to click on affiliate right here because that's what you will be doing, you will be promoting offers. The next thing to do is fill out all of these boxes with the needed information. So you need to provide a username, and for this part which says your affiliate link, they will automatically choose one for you once you provide a username, and you will use that affiliate link later on when you start to promote offers. Then you need to provide your email address, your password, your time zone, and some basic details about yourself. What I like about this is that they actually accept everyone from anywhere in the world. So wherever you are right now, you can actually do this and start promoting offers and earn $72 per hour on complete autopilot. Once you've finished filling out your basic information, you need to tick this box and then click on this blue button right here which says register for free. After doing so, you now have your very own account on Digistore24. And you can now start to promote offers and earn money. So when you click on promote now, right here, Digistore24 will give you an affiliate link, which you can then share to other people. And when people click on that link, they will be redirected to the sales page of whatever product you promoted, just like this one right here. And when they purchase this product, you will be able to earn some commissions from it. And if you do it again and again, you will be able to earn decent amount of money. As mentioned at the beginning of this video, I will now give you the exclusive bonus tip that will allow you to earn double or even triple compared to others. So what you need to do is visit this website called reddit.com. For those of you who don't know, Reddit is a network of communities where people can dive into their interests, hobbies and passions. This is where you can promote your link because a lot of people actually come over to Reddit and post different stuff. And according to SimilarWeb, there are over 1.5 billion people who come here on average. That is a lot of people and you can basically share your link with them and earn a lot of money. What you need to do now on Reddit is to go to the search box right here, then type in how to make money online and click search. You will now be able to see all of the posts which are related to this question. As you can see here, there are a lot of people who are posting this question and are looking for answers. This is the perfect opportunity for you to share your link from Digistore24 and earn big commissions. But you can't just go ahead and give your link without saying anything or giving some value. You need to provide them first with some tips on how they can earn money from your link. So here's the second exclusive bonus tip that I want to share with you. I actually made this done for you template which you can copy and paste and use on Reddit. I will give you a copy of this done for you template later on, so I suggest you keep on watching. As you can see, this template is like a list, and below each list is an affiliate link from Digistore24. You can just replace these links with your very own links, and then you can start copy and pasting this template on Reddit posts. So as an example, I'll highlight everything on here, and then click on copy. Then I will go back to Reddit and look for a post, and just paste my template there. You can do this again and again depending on how many offers you want to promote. After doing so, you can just relax and wait for your commissions to come in and enjoy your earnings. Now if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here for you to discover the best apps that pay you real money, which are some of the best ways to earn free PayPal money online this year 2021.